Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I saw that the Half Magic Beauty collection dropped and I had to, of course, get absolutely everything. Don't forget to subscribe before you get into the video, but without further ado, let's get into it. I noticed that my order came with one of the hairpins, and I don't know if they do that with every single order or just because I ordered everything that they sent me that, or if the pins aren't in there and it's out of stock. I have no idea. Let me show you this really cute makeup bag. Apparently it's like a limited edition that they collaborated with an artist, and it's so cool looking. I love it. I love the cloud theme. Like, it's just so cute. Oh my gosh, and look, the zipper has a little star. I think I'm gonna open this up. This is a matte chrome addiction eye paint and liner. It looks like this. I forget which color I got. Oh my gosh. Okay, I got the color Sky Juice. I love that. This is so freaking cool. This packaging, like, that's a whole display piece. I'm sorry, what? Okay. So I also bought the Wing Magician, which is supposed to, it's like a silicone piece that's supposed to help you put on your liner better. And this is super interesting. Looks like this, and it's got like a 3D sort of star pattern that's really similar to everything else they have. Are you telling me if I do this that it's gonna work out? It's working! It's actually working. Okay. I need it to be like more defined though. I'm trying to make it really precise, but I feel like it's just hard no matter what you use. But I will say it does put down a really good outline, and then you can just kind of edit and sharpen everything, which is really great. I'm scared. Okay, let's try it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do like 60s sort of twiggy vibe and do another little line on top. Here's the thing. I feel like with this piece, it's super helpful if you don't want to spend hours like being precise. But at the same time, the tool itself isn't exactly fully like precise. This color is absolutely gorgeous. I mean, like, okay, that side turned out a lot better. Do I feel a little bit like a superhero right now? But trust and believe it's gonna get glam up in here. Now let's try the shimmer version, and this is gonna be interesting because I don't know how this will go. I basically tried to get like pastel cloud vibes because I thought it would all go together in the end. This is the Shimmer Chrome Addiction eye paint and liner in Spirit Guide. This is what it looks like. Okay, it's a little bit more of an intense color than I expected, and I honestly don't know what I'm gonna be able to do with this. Okay, let's give it a swatch. Are you freaking kidding me with this? It turns from like a lilac purple in the light to like, or not even a lilac, like a nice like true purple in the light to like this gunmetal gray, blue, green, silvery vibe. It's like kind of hard to tell, but you can sort of see it. I think I'm gonna put a little bit more glitter in the center here. Okay, let's try this glitter pill, glitter eye paint and liner. So literally more glitter, which is great. No, I freaking love glitter, so this is gonna be amazing. So yeah, this is what the packaging looks like, and I got the shade Neptune. This packaging is like bringing out the inner child in me. How pretty is that? What the hell? Okay, how do I use this? Okay, so this one's actually glitter liner. It's got a liner applicator. So this is what the glitter looks like. It's really pretty. Obviously it's nothing like this, but at the same time, this is like a super light. I can see it a little bit. It's not anything crazy, but you know what? I didn't expect it to be. I like it so far. I think it could be interesting to get like maybe a lighter color and just have that like glitter right in here and like bring it up into your eye. Okay, it feels like it's showing up a lot more on this eye, so maybe the product just needs to warm up a bit, or I'm just being blind, I can't tell. Cute! Oh my god, I love this. Like, this is so this is the really fun part. We've got these little glitter pieces, and I happen to get the iridescent little gems. Honestly, everything else was pretty much sold out, and I just thought at the same time this will look really good with what I've already got, which is like this bluish, purplish vibe going on. This is what the gems look like. So gorgeous. I love it. But again, like, you could technically do this and just buy like a massive pack on Amazon. Here is the tweezers, the Adornment Tweezers, because I definitely did not have that, but also just because I wanted to try it for fun. Oh my gosh, how cute is this little package it comes in? It's like this nice little felt package. I love it. The little Adornment Tweezers say have magic on it, which is very cute. I'm feeling like maybe we go for the outside just because I have so much going on. Okay, this is hard. Okay, I got it off. I got it off. I got it off. Quickly, quickly. Quickly! I need a small mirror. Where is it? Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, this Adornment Tweezer works wonders. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let's go ahead and try the setting spray before I do all my mascara and whatnot. This is the Dew Look Hydrating Set and Refresh Mist. So this is what my face looks like now. Kind of powdery. Honestly, I need more blush because if I'm not looking like sunburnt, who am I? This is what the packaging looks like. I forget if I showed it. And then, ooh, okay. Interesting. It's kind of giving Morphe, like giving the Morphe setting spray. This is what it looks like. It's really, really pretty. Let's try it. Oh god, this is a horrible, horrible spray bottle. I mean, the spray bottle is just awful. It's so bad. I don't know why they did that. They should have done the misting Morphe vibe, but maybe they were afraid they were gonna be too Morphe. I will say, my skin looks pretty glowy and gorgeous after that, so I do want to keep using it. Can I take this off and put a different one on? Okay, hack 101. Take this off. I wonder if you can put it in a Morphe bottle or just get a new bottle. But then that's the thing, you have to spend more money. So it's like, why are you going to do that when there's other setting sprays? So maybe that's just a no. I don't know. I'm going to just see how I feel without lashes and just live my life. Okay. Let's get to it. All right, what do we have left? What do we have? Okay, we've got the lip. Actually, I'm gonna put on this highlighter first. So this is the Half Magic Light Trap. How gorgeous is this packaging, by the way? And this is the Duochrome Glow Powder. So this is probably gonna be super intense. Enter the Glow. That's the shade I got. I hope I got something like semi-neutral considering the amount of glitter on my face. Also, it has a sticker which is closing it, which enrages me. I must pick it off. Okay, here we go. Here we go, here we go. So, wait, this is, oh god, I just smeared, oh god, I just smeared eyeliner on it, or mascara. This is what the packaging looks like on the inside. How pretty. Oh my gosh, my camera's dying. Wait, wait, wait. Okay, this is a whole experience. Okay, ready? It's like a storybook. Ooh, okay, this is great. See, now we've got this sort of like really pretty inner glow going on. Okay, my camera did die, but you know what? That's okay. All right, we got some lip products. We got Sculptitude 2-in-1 lip liner. Oh, let me show you before I rip open the product. I always open these from the bottom because I can't be bothered to take the sticker off. I got the shade I Have Needs, and I do. I really do. So that's cute. Before I go into this product, I also want to open this sort of like 2-in-1. Oh no, okay, these go together. Okay, Mouth Cloud Soft Matte Lip Cream. So this is gonna be the lip products for the look, and I got Magic Brownie. I think I got a little set because it came in a set, which is really cute. Packaging is the exact, well, pretty similar to the eyeliner looks. So I'm assuming you could probably use this on your eyes. Like, I don't even know. The one thing I will say is it's kind of an inconvenient shape, like if you have like lipstick holders, but I think it deserves its own moment, so I don't mind it. And yeah, so let's see what this little dual thing is all about. We've got this side of the lip liner, and then we've got this side of the lip liner. So I'm assuming one of these is more like lighter to sort of shade in things, and one of these is gonna be more for the outside. So let's go ahead and do that. Oh wow. This is so silky smooth. The one thing is this gonna move all over the place? Oh, cute! I never use brown, but I'm feeling it. I'm feeling everything. Everything is, nope, that sounds interesting. Okay, no. But yeah, everything is really great. This looks pretty similar to what I have on now. Wait, what color is this? Is this the same color? No, this is Mouth Cloud. Magic Brownie. Okay. Are you working, baby? Are you working tonight? And it's so pretty. I'm loving my makeup. Like I don't, because I feel like normally I just do neutral, like, but this is like giving me life right now. I'm obsessed. I love it so much. I'm gonna try on this lighter shade in the center. Yeah, I feel like that lightened it up. I mean, did it do the most? No, not really, but it did add some dimension though. It really did. So that's great. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Okay. Oh my God, are we literally at the end? Is this the right side? Wait. If someone was looking at me. Oh yeah, okay, they would be able to see. Okay, that is simple logic. Cute! Okay, time for my final thoughts. The highlighter was 20 bucks. Champagne with lilac pearls. Do I see lilac? You know what? I do see it a little bit. This is gorgeous. I absolutely love it. If you guys want like a more glow from within highlighter or just anything, just yes. So this is the glitter pill, $20. I personally think this is worth it if you do use glitter, or if you want to try it, or if you want to try glitter eyeliner, things like that, because I hate, like, this is more a convenience aspect. It's like I hate having to like mix together a product with a loose glitter that I have. The one thing I will say is obviously you have to keep applying it to really get it to sort of show up. It's very, very light. This was the Magic Brownie Lip Trick Kit. So this is actually 26, and then you get the Magic Brownie, and the Magic Brownie is a rosy brown, which makes sense why I love it so much, because I love that like dusty rose color. So you get these two for 26. I mean, if you have lip products, like why buy more? Because these are like neutral colors. I personally love it. I don't normally like browns like at all, but there's something about this that just like goes with the whole vibe of everything, so that's why I love it so much. Is it movable? Yeah, very movable. But in my opinion, unless you want like a very matte lipstick, it's kind of hard to make it stick, you know? This is the Chrome Addiction Shimmer. This was 24. Pretty to try out. Again, it's similar to sort of how I feel about the glitter one, except this one's obviously more pigmented. For the matte shade, $24. Everything is pretty reasonably priced considering like how high the drugstore prices have gone up now. This little thingy, do I think you need it? No, it's $10. If you are ever gonna get like some sort of silicone like wing thing, I would suggest getting this because it was super easy to use and like it's got a lot of angles. I don't know if I would use it again. The Adornment Tweezers, $14. I mean, obviously if you have these, use them. If you don't have them, they're necessary to put on the face gems. So the gems themselves were $12. I think the problem is like, how can you tell if it's pricey? I feel like it is pricey, but at the same time, like I don't have to obviously buy my own glue or like put eyelash glue on because all of my little sparkles are there. You know what I mean? I don't know. This is kind of up to you if you want to try out that sort of euphoria vibe. And then we have these little hairpins, 4 pieces, $10. I mean, they gave me 5. I don't know why. Still, obviously, I think it's really cute. I like the name Half Magic, so I feel like I'm half magic. You know what I mean? Like, and then the Dew Lock, 20 bucks. This is a tough one because it's such, like, I feel like it's a good formula, but the spray is just awful. The makeup bag, $18. Is it worth it? I mean, it's nice to put all the products in, and I think it's a really cool color, but it's, you know, it's literally just like a flimsy makeup bag with like some of their adornments on it. That concludes today's video, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed. If you want to see my makeup look like more in depth, I'm gonna post an Instagram reel, so head over to @CozyGabby if you want to check that out. Otherwise, this is the perfect time to join the circle of family and friendship. And go ahead and subscribe, like this video if you enjoyed, and comment what your favorite product is, and if you think you're gonna pick something up, or if you have, like, let me know all the tea. And yeah, have a cute ass day, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!